And finally, the 50th Bigfoot, guys. I have the 124 scale. I unboxed it on my channel. Bigfoot New 2025, 50th anniversary. That's really nice. Look at that paint job. Really nice. I haven't found this one. It took me a whole year to find this one. Along with the poison pin tool. Name Bigfoot, truck type pickup. Strength, car crashing shocks, crash tech original monster truck. It's gold. Not real gold, but like color gold. Bigfoot in the back. Mattel. Let's get to unboxing now. Ooh, nice. Here it is. Bigfoot 50th, guys. Look at those gold rims and beadlocks. The gold paint. 50th Bigfoot. Hot Wheels and the logo right there. The bumper, no bumper printing. 50th. A big 50 on the top of the roof. Again on this side, black roll cage, chrome chassis. That shine. And the back says Bigfoot in gold letters with the tele printing Summit Hot Wheels 50. I mean, I'm so glad I found this one because I'm collecting every single Bigfoot that's going to come out, including the new one for this year, 2026, guys. Alright, guys, got one more truck to go. Peace out.